guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations. Check it out, man. The wiper blade on my Mirage is about done. They're kind of a custom size, so if you've never ordered one, it's like a 12.5 inch or something like that. Let's see what it says here. It's 300 millimeter by 12, so it's a 12-inch wiper. It's not something they're going to stock usually at Walmart, so I had to order this on Amazon. But I'll go ahead and show you how easy it is to replace it. It's not a big deal, but it's kind of a pain. So here's what it looks like up close here. You can see it's not a standard wiper. It's got a little bevel to it. There's a little hole there. And this one has a nice protective cover on it for the blade itself, which is really, I like that. That's nice. So usually you just kind of rotate it up and then slide it out. It's really easy to break. This arm is plastic, which is kind of crummy, but it is what it is. Okay, so once we have it off, you got to be careful. This is brittle plastic, especially as the years go on. The tall part, the hump here, goes towards the outside. This part goes towards the inside. You're going to take it, you're going to slide that in, and that's it. Once it's in there, it's in there. We can put that back down. Now with a plastic one like this, you never really want to let go, because if that snaps back without a wiper on it, you can actually crack and shatter your rear glass. I've seen it done on front glass a lot with metal wipers. So that's it, my friends, like a 60-second video at most, but if you've never done one, now you know how. Till next time, my friends, take care.